Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. We are constantly on the go, and taking my different vitamin bottles with me everywhere was getting really annoying, and I most of the time just didn't do it. But I really wanted to step up my vitamin taking game, so thankfully I found this AUVON extra large weekly pill organizer. One of my favorite parts is that each individual day can come out. So if you're just going somewhere for the day or two, you can take just those days with you instead of taking the whole organizer. I also really liked the big size of the pill containers because some of my vitamins are really large and they don't always fit in other pill organizers that I've had. I really like that this has a spot for daytime and nighttime, so you know which things you have taken and which things you need to. I love being able to take out an individual day when I'm on the go, and also how cute and pink and fun this makes taking vitamins. And that's my point of view.